In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Before joining Forex Trading for Beginners Academy, I was just a loser and a confused guy in Forex trading. But when I came to know about this academy, it changed all my life, all things about Forex in my life. And our great instructor Saad Ali is really an excellent teacher. The way he teach support and resistance with two-touch rules and trend lines, ascending and descending channels, Fibonacci retracement, EMAs 8, 18, 50 and 200. They are all really very practical and impressive. TradingView is an excellent software to do Forex trading, and before joining Forex Trading Academy I was not aware of it, that there exists an excellent and tremendous software like TradingView. I do my all analysis on MT4 before joining this academy, but when Saad Ali instructed us to do our analysis in Forex on TradingView, it helped me a lot. It really helped me a lot, and it changed my way of analyzing charts. Private student group really helped me a lot, as we get immediate and fast response on our post that we analyze in Forex, and it helped us a lot that how far we learn Forex trading. In fact, I can say that Forex Trading for Beginners Academy is really a great platform and a right platform for the one who has some dreams in Forex.